Hey guys, it's John from the Testies. So yesterday we got a text and it said we're gonna get a big shout out on 92.3 Showboy in the morning.
But it's all good because we're with you commercial free, baby. New music first. That's what I like, Bruno Mars. Also, shout out to Mike and John listening to us right now on Long Island. Mike woke up his son John just to listen to this shout out because he didn't have any school today. Thanks a lot, Dad.
Hey guys, welcome to another video of The Testers. Today we'll be testing out our snowblower, Craftsman 26-inch clearing width electric stars. Let's get into it.
Now the reason we're doing this video today is because we got a blizzard going on. So we figured this would be the best time to test our snowblower. Now me and John want to personally thank your boy in the morning, 92.3, for giving us a big shout out. That was very cool of you guys and we appreciate it a lot.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so this has the electric start like we said. All you gotta do is prime it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Plug it in. Choke. How this bad boy does.
So far, so good, guys. That would be good for a snowball fight. This is how much snow we got. This is how much snow we got right now.
So as you can see, it's pretty good. It does clear the snow. I'm gonna have to go over it again, but it's pretty effortless. It has 6 gears on it and 2 reverse, so 6 forward, 2 reverse. I did have to clean out the carburetor just to let you guys know. It's only 2 years old, so you definitely got to maintain your carburetor really good. Put some fuel additive in it and you're good to go. I'm pretty happy with this. I would say overall, pretty good thumbs up. And that's it for today.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.
And don't forget to follow me on Musical.ly. My account is The Testers. And on Roblox, it is Wolfboy11. Bye.